Rani Abbakka, known as Abhaya Rani, fearless queen, was the 16th century Tulwa queen of Ullal, Karnataka. A valiant leader, she is celebrated for unyielding resistance against Portuguese colonial forces for over 4 decades. A pioneer in the fight against European imperialism, she is often hailed as one of India's first freedom fighters. Born into the Chowta dynasty, which ruled coastal Karnataka, Abbakka was crowned queen in 1522 by her uncle Thirumalaraya III. The Chowtas, feudatories of the Vijayanagara Empire, were known for their matrilineal inheritance system, a tradition that recognized Abbakka's leadership abilities. Abbakka's strategic marriage to Lakshmappa Arasa Bangar Raja II of Mangalore created a formidable alliance, though it later turned sour, with her estranged husband allying with the Portuguese. Under her rule, Ullal flourished as a bustling port city, thriving on spice trade. Her administration was so inclusive, representing Jains, Hindus and Muslims, and her army consisted of people from all sects and castes. After capturing Goa, the Portuguese set their sights on Ullal due to its strategic location and economic prosperity. Rani Abbakka's resistance began when she refused to pay them tribute, igniting a series of battles. The Portuguese sent Admiral Don Alvaro de Silveira to subdue Ullal, but Abbakka repelled his forces. Despite repeated attacks, including the plundering of nearby Mangalore, the queen remained defiant. Portuguese forces led by General João Peixito captured Ullal and stormed her palace. Abbakka escaped and regrouped. That night, she launched a surprise counterattack with 200 soldiers, killing Peixoto, capturing 70 Portuguese soldiers and forcing the invaders to retreat. Abbakka formed alliances with Sultan of Bijapur, Zamorin of Calicut and other regional powers. Together, they attacked Portuguese positions. Despite these alliances, Abbakka faced betrayal from her estranged husband and was eventually captured. Even in imprisonment, she continued to resist, dying in battle while incarcerated. Rani Abbakka's valor lives in Tulunadu's folklore, Yakshagana performances and Bhutakola traditions. She is remembered as a just, humble ruler, often depicted as a commoner dispensing justice late into the night. Legends also recount her use of fire arrows, a testament to her innovative warfare techniques. Some accounts claim her daughters fought along her side, continuing her legacy of defiance. A life-size statue of Abbakka stands in Ullal, commemorating her contributions. The Veerarani Abbakka Utsava honors her memory and bravery. In 2023, India issued a stamp featuring Abbakka Chowta, reaffirming her place in pantheon of national heroes. Rani Abbakka Chowta's story is a powerful reminder of indigenous resistance against colonial powers. Her courage, inclusivity and strategic brilliance makes her a timeless symbol of resilience and patriotism.